Searching for the best inkjet printer for heat transfer? It can be frustrating to find one that delivers vibrant prints and durability. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2800. The Epson EcoTank ET2800 priced at $179.99. What caught my attention? Its cartridge-free system, which means you won't be scrambling for ink every few weeks. If you want to reduce your printing costs significantly while getting great quality prints, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. The EcoTank technology means you get up to 2 years of ink right in the box. That's about 4,500 pages in black and 7,500 in color. So if you're producing a lot of heat transfer designs, you can crank out those vibrant colors without worrying about breaking the bank on ink. Plus, with a print speed of up to 10 pages per minute, you won't be waiting around for your designs to be ready. But let's keep it real. Some users have mentioned that the initial setup can be a bit confusing. Now, some people complained about the learning curve, but here's the thing. Once you get past that, it's smooth sailing, and the savings on ink alone make it worth it. This is perfect for you if you plan to do a lot of printing and want to save on recurring costs. Skip this one if you only need a printer occasionally, because the upfront investment might not pay off for you. Overall, you're looking at fantastic value. Now, if the EcoTank setup process sounds daunting to you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E. The HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E priced at $179.89, with its sleek design and AI-enhanced features, it caught my eye right away. If you want to print professional quality documents along with your heat transfers, this one's a strong contender. So here's why this product is a good fit for you. It prints at speeds of up to 20 pages per minute in black and 10 in color, which is a real time saver when you're working on multiple projects. The AI technology ensures your prints are formatted perfectly, eliminating wasted pages, which can be a serious headache. Plus, the 3 months of instant ink means you'll never run out unexpectedly. Think of it as your safety net. Now, there's a downside here. Some users found the app a bit clunky for mobile printing. But honestly, if you're primarily using it for desktop work like heat transfers, it shouldn't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you're running a small home office and need a reliable printer for everyday tasks and heat transfers. Skip this one if you're looking for something more portable, since it's not the most compact option. You get a lot of bang for your buck with this one. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious users. Product number 3. HP DeskJet 2855E. Let's talk about the HP DeskJet 2855E, priced at just $59.89. It's a budget-friendly choice that still offers great features. If you're looking for an affordable all-in-one printer for lighter heat transfer projects, this one's worth considering. What makes this printer stand out is its simplicity. With speeds up to 7.5 pages per minute in black, it's adequate for home use. Plus, it offers wireless capabilities, which is nice if you want to print from your phone or laptop. It even includes a 3-month instant ink trial to keep you stocked up without stress. That's a pretty sweet deal for the price. However, some users did report that it can be slower for larger print jobs. Now, if you're only doing occasional heat transfers, this might not be a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward, no-frills printer for small jobs. Skip this one if you plan on doing large batch print runs, since the speed might not meet your needs. Given its price, it's a steal for light use. If the DeskJet's performance seems a bit limited, the next product on our list offers a more robust solution. Product number 4. The HP Envy 6155E. The HP Envy 6155E, priced at $79.89, this printer really caught my eye with its stylish design and easy-to-use features. If you want something that looks good on your desk and provides solid print quality for heat transfers, this one is for you. Here's why it's worth considering. The Envy can print at speeds of up to 10 pages per minute in block and 7 in color, which is decent for home use. One standout feature is its ability to print borderless photos, which is perfect if you're transferring images onto fabric. Plus, with HP's AI technology, you're guaranteed well-formatted prints every time. However, I did notice that some users mentioned the ink can run out fairly quickly with heavy use. Here's the thing though, if you're using it primarily for heat transfers, you can manage your usage to mitigate this issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish, efficient printer for everyday use and heat transfers. Skip this one if you print high volumes regularly because the ink costs can add up. Still, for its price, it's a solid value. Now, if you're still not sold, our final pick really excels in versatility.
Product number 5, Canon PIXMA TS4320. We have the Canon PIXMA TS4320, priced at just $59. This printer caught my attention due to its compact design and affordability. If you're looking for a versatile all-in-one printer that won't take up much space, this one deserves a look. What makes this printer a great choice is its dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, which ensures reliable connections no matter where you are in your home. It also supports automatic duplex printing, helping you save on paper. The print quality is impressive for both documents and photos, which is crucial for those vibrant heat transfer prints you're after. Now, some users have pointed out that the setup process could be a bit tricky, but honestly, once you get it set up, the quality and performance are well worth the minor hassle. This is perfect for you if you have limited space and need a reliable printer for both printing and scanning. Skip this one if you require higher-end features or print volume since it's more suited for casual use. Overall, you're getting a lot for a low price. Now that we've covered all 5 products, let's break it down one last time. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Epson EcoTank ET2800 because it offers the best long-term value and print quality for heat transfer.